This is a difficult video to make based on what started out as admiring this gentleman's photographs. He seems like a very, very nice man, and he has some beautiful photographs of Rockaway Beach that he took. And, he seems, his name is Joseph Fox, a Queens native. He also loves upstate New York, so I saw some beautiful shots of upstate New York. And he talks about the Creator and God and loving and helping the world. And he seems like a patriotic guy, but mostly his pictures of Rockaway Beach were very stirring to me. He captured these amazing sunsets. This is a cemetery going toward upstate New York. Very, very beautiful, these red trees in the cemetery. The waves of Rockaway that I know so well. The sky at Rockaway that I know and love so well. These beautiful beach, kind of patriotic pictures on the beachfront, but just the way he captures that sky. I get excited when I see a great photographer that I am not familiar with. And he talks about some inspirational things, and he seems to really love nature and stuff. And then I went to look at his Facebook page, and he's a killer. He killed this animal. And I feel like I was tricked. He's a murderer, really, is what he is. And I already sent him a friend request. Yes, Lena. Because he's all excited that a pretty young woman is admiring his work. And now he'll see this video. This is what you don't do if you love the Creator, pal. This is not part of the bargain. You don't murder this beautiful young buck in the prime of his days while he's innocently grazing in a field somewhere. Because that's obviously where you did it. You and your buddy there. That's wrong. And then he shows the pictures of, the close-up of its face. It had small antlers still. It wasn't even just... But he was going to be really big. He was already really big, but he was probably going to be like the size of a dinosaur or something. He was just an amazing young buck, And then he shows the meat in a pan. And he's all happy with his seasoning salt there. And I feel like, I said to John, I'm taking back that friend. He said, don't you dare take back that friend request. You're going to post this video and you're going to do it right now.